Here is the listening task for you. Listen and answer. The topic is, how can I improve my communication skills? Through the years, experts in the field of training have found innovative ways and have provided interesting tips and methods to improve communication skills. Given here are some interesting tips, ways in which you can improve the way in which you communicate. Clarity of thought. You need to be clear and focused on the subject at hand and not beat around the bush and be ambiguous. Listening empathetically. You should hone the skill of listening with understanding. Assert respectfully. It is important that you speak assertively. This is because when you are assertive, you are proving that you are confident about what they need to convey. Conflict resolution. You should be able to come to win-win situations in order to solve all problems that may occur from time to time. Maintain eye contact with the audience. This is vital as it keeps all those present involved in the conversation. It keeps them interested and alert. Body awareness. You need to be aware of all that your body is conveying. For instance, if anger rises during the course of a conversation, then there may be a slight tremor in your voice. At that point, you need to pause and let someone else speak. A few deep breaths and some water works very well at this point. Gestures and expressions. You need to be aware of how to effectively use hand gestures and facial expressions to convey messages effectively. Sometimes it may happen that you verbally convey something, but your gestures and facial expressions have another story to tell. Convey one's thoughts. It is important for you to courageously convey what you think. This is because when things are left unsaid, then what is being spoken is not as convincing as it should be. Practice effective communication skills. You should practice speaking and listening skills as often as possible. In order to practice effective speaking skills, you can read passages from a book aloud in front of a mirror or simply perform a free speech in front of the mirror. And when listening is concerned, you can try transcribing from the radio or television. This helps in honing sharper listening skills. It is sad we were given 2 ears but only one mouth, because listening is twice as hard as talking. Thank you.